Wait, what the hell you got going on?
All right, so this is a Blue Point vacuum.
Yeah.
And it discharges into this bag.
Yeah.
But I don't really want it to discharge into the bag.
Yeah.
Because it's all that foam.
Yeah.
And you can unzip the bag. So I get, you know what? I guess we'll use it.
Where'd you get this thing?
I got it from the Snap-on guy.
On the Snap-on guy?
Yeah. So we can put this thing together. And I've just used it with the rag in the past. It's kind of easier.
Yeah.
And I blow the stuff into the rag.
Yeah.
If I was sucking glass out of a broken window in the bottom of the door, that's what this is really for.
Yeah.
And it sucks. It sucks the shirt there. So.
Yeah.
So we'll just get down into these areas here. Then it all comes out into the rag.
Yeah.
But it ain't doing too good in the rag with this. I'm gonna put the bag on.
Okay. Steve has got more shit at his house to work on. Now the seasons to amaze me, but he pulls out of that freaking drawer is. Alright, he's going with the bag.
Alright, just got this little clamp you tighten down. Holds the bag on. These are pretty reasonable price.
Yeah.
About $75.
Huh. Let's see what $75 gets you.
Yeah, that's it.
From the Snap-on guy.
Alright.
All out of there, bro?
Most of it, yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit more.
That's a pretty
Now,
good
I'm
job.
not going to be taking anything down that low, but I'm going to go a little bit more. It's great for tight spots to get into.
Yeah.
Windows and stuff like that.
Okay. That's what is it? It's a Blue Point.
Yeah, it's a Blue Point. You got to snap on. Then it's got a zipper on the bag.
Yeah.
You can unzip it and then dump all the contents out. And this thing's got a lot of foam in it.
Yeah, it's all full. Huh.
Up in that, so.
Kind of cool.
Yeah.